Hey guys, today I'll be showing you how to get rid of brassy faded hair color and how you can fix it in quick, easy steps. First, I applied the color onto the roots, starting at the back and working my way to the front. If you'd like to see a step-by-step video, I'll link my root touch-up tutorial down below on the description box. Once I'm done at the roots, I'll move on to the mid and ends of the hair. I'm using permanent hair color because she had previously done a balayage before our first section going dark, and this will ensure that the color lasts longer before we can transition her to a demi-permanent color. I mixed 6N and 6.1 in equal parts and 10 vol. If you have any gray hair, I would suggest using 20 volume. As I apply the color, I make sure to emulsify very well, then I go over gently with a wide tooth comb to ensure that the hair is very well coated with the dye. I repeat the process throughout the hair, then I let it sit for about 20 to 30 minutes. After her hair has processed, I will do a toner for extra longevity and to make sure we get rid of any brassness left. Make sure to do 1 shampoo before applying the toner. I am mixing 6N and 5.07 Dia Roches in equal parts with 9 volume for more opaque effect. I left the toner on for about 10 minutes. I make sure that I watch my toner as it processes just in case so it doesn't go too dark. And we are all done. Look at these final results. Her hair looks so shiny and rich. This color is perfect for fall. Thank you for watching. Please comment any other hair videos you would like to see.